Hello guys, welcome back. And for our new members, thank you for joining. We have so many goodies to share with you. And on this video, we're making a coat. How to cut a coat. I find this very simple, especially for beginners. You don't have to stress yourself over it. It is easy to get. Okay, this is what it looks like, and let's make the coat together. Now fold your fabric into two. Our focus right now is on the back. So once you fold your fabric into two, measure the length, how long you want your coat to be. And so once you get that, cut it. And now measure your shoulder. I want a long and oversized coat, so the shoulder is a bit wide depending on what you want. This can be the normal shoulder of your normal measurement, but whatever you want, measure it. So once you are done with this, pattern your neck, which is very easy. So a neck of 7 inches, that is what I'm using here, and when you fold it, it becomes 3.5 inches. Now to the front, measure the same length and pattern your neck. And because you know that the front will be open, so depending on what you want for your allowance. Now cut out the neck. The neck is the same for the back, but you must leave space for allowance because you know that your coat is open. So depending on what you need for your joining, I'm leaving an allowance of up to 5 inches because I want it to be firm. I want to feel the firmness as I hold it. So once you are done with this, so you had the allowance to the neck of 3.5 inches, that's about 8.5, and you cut out 8.5. So once you are done with this, cut your collar. I'm using a straight collar. This jacket is a reversible jacket. I want to be able to wear it on both sides, and because of that, this is how the collar looks, and you would see the way it looks after I finish joining. So once I'm done joining this, I'm able to show the front and I'm able to show you the back. So this is what the collar looks like. So I'm able to wear the jacket in a reversible way. I hope you are adding everything up. Can you see the way the jacket looks? This is the inside. This could be the inside. Well, this could be the outside. So anyhow you want to wear it. So once this is done, I'm closer, and this is how I hem the down part, and now I have a straight, very easy jacket for beginners. This is the jacket. Trying to show you how everything looks like. It's a very easy and simple cutting, no stress at all. It's not stressful at all. So once you are done with this, iron it if need be, iron the inside and rock it. I hope you'll be trying this, and this is what it looks like on me. This is one of the sides. You will see the other side soon. Believe me, there is not much work on this except for the joining. The cutting is very easy. It's very simple. And if you need any help on the cutting, feel free to ask in the comment section. And now this is the other side. So now this is reversible jacket. You can rock it anyhow you want. I hope you enjoy watching this video. There is more to come. Feel free to like, comment and subscribe.